Hello everyone, let me quickly walk you through the product list page from the product module. This screen gives you a complete view of all the products available in the system, along with important details like pricing, categories, tax values, and the current product status. It's designed to help you manage your catalog in a simple and efficient way. Just below the page title, you'll notice three tabs: All tab, Active tab, and Inactive tab. These tabs make it easy to switch between viewing all products, only the active products, or products that are currently disabled or inactive. If you want to add a new product, simply click on Add Product. From the drop down, you can choose between simple products and configurable products. With simple products, seller can add items without specifications, perfect for products that don't require per variations or grouping. With configurable products, a seller need to configure the product family, categories, attributes before they created any product for easy product creation for a defined product family. Now, coming to the main section of the page, you'll see a detailed product table. Each row represents a single product, starting with a thumbnail image and the product name under the product name column. Next, the category column shows which category the product belongs to, and in some cases, a product may be assigned to multiple categories. The product price column displays the standard selling price. The assigned pricing column shows any assigned pricing rules or price lists if available. The tax column highlights the tax value applied to the product, and the updated on column helps track the most recent updated date and time. You'll also find a status toggle that allows you to quickly activate or deactivate a product whenever needed. And finally, the actions menu on the far right provides additional options to manage the selected product. Overall, this page is built to help you search, manage, and maintain your product catalog from one centralized view. Thank you.